So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to transpose rows into columns and vice versa, and also the columns into rows in Excel. So it's a quick and powerful trick that can save you a lot of time. So here, let's say for example, I have my data. I'm going to show you two ways on how to do that. So first of all, select your data by clicking Control Shift down, Control Shift left using the arrow keys. Then click Control C to copy the information that you want to transpose. Then you will go to a cell where you want to transpose your data to. Let's say, for example, I is I2, this is the column, then the row. So let's say I want to transpose this data. There's two ways on how you do that. The first one, just right click, then you can find this option that says transpose your data. Then you can go ahead and click on it. Then it will immediately transpose your data into this way. You can see so these signs or this is showing up because the cell is small, so you can enlarge it. Then that value will be seen like that. So that is the first way you can do that. Let's go back again, show you the second way. The second way, you can also select another uh, where you want your data to be transposed from rows to columns. Then you can go ahead and click on paste like that. Then there is this section that says transpose. Then once you click on that, it directly transposes your data from a column to rows. Then you can also come from this row back to column using the same way. And that is it. You have just learned how to transpose rows and columns in Excel. So if this helped you out, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more quick Excel tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.